I'm going to be showing you how to use the washing machine. This is the washing machine we got. It is a Hisense 12 kgs top loader. So that's how it looks like. Those are stands of the washing machine. We found them in there. They are 4. Yeah, so we had to remove the covers of the washing machine and then go to the next step. So this is the procedure manual that we found in there. So we had to first read it so that we can know what to do, because it has all the steps, yeah, and all the parts of the washing machine. Since it was also our first time, we had to first go through it so that we can know what to do. Yes, then we had to cut off the box. We had to cut off the box so that we can be able to use it. Yeah, the box was too big. But this girl is a super girl, so she cut it out. Yeah, we put it aside. Yeah, so that is how it looks like in the inside. So this is how we input water. We put like a thing here. One. We fix this pipe there. But how the water gets out, Esther is going to show us.
So this is where the water gets out from.
We are supposed to bend it
In this, and then you connect it here. And this. Yeah, so it will get out from there. Currently.
Yeah, that is it. We had to bring some clothes to try out. Yeah, then we also had to put the washing machine stands. They are 4, since it has 4 sides. Yes, so you first bend the machine a little so that you can be able to fix them on all sides. Yeah, then after you turn on the water, you connect the pipe to the water, then you open the tap so that water can come. Then we had to put the detergent. We got this detergent called Toss. They told us it's good for the washing machine, so it's what we got. Yeah, then we had to put the detergent in the clothes. Yeah, you put as much as you can. Yeah, because the washing machine uses a lot of water, so you put as much as you can. Yeah, so that is how it is. So after putting detergent, we had to first put in water. Then we had to connect the washing machine to the extension so that we can be able to access electricity. Then switch it on. Then after that, we had to switch on. That button is for switching on, like how many minutes do you want the clothes to wash themselves. Yes, so I put 15 minutes. Yes, so that is how it works. It is washing already. Yeah, then there is this part called the spin tab. The spin tab is for drying the clothes. After washing them from the other part, you put them in the spin tab so that they can be washed. You spread them evenly. If you do not spread them evenly, the washing machine makes a lot of noise. Yeah, so I first put a few. Yeah, I first put a few just to try out. Then you do not put anything in the spin tab. You just put the clothes, then you cover it. Yeah, then you cover it. Then after, you switch it on for some time. Then after, it will switch itself off, and then the clothes will be dry. The button for the spin tab, you put how many minutes you want. I wanted 3 minutes of drying the clothes. Yeah, so I covered. Yeah. After 3 minutes, my clothes were dry. I put other clothes, and that is it. That's how to use a washing machine.